Hey! This is Bike Backpack and Scout. We have some good news to share.
We are now on Instagram. Follow us on Bike Backpack Scout.
Tim?
Sauros?
Sarlos?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
India.
Okay. Okay, you're not wearing a backpack.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you got your eyes and ears on. I'm just waiting for the boss to say we're hot.
No.
Okay. I take it you don't shoot much in your country? Okay, pick up firearm. Okay. His finger stays up here. Don't cross behind. Keep them up. Okay, now. You're going to take this hand. Put the magazine in. Now take this, pull it back. There you go. Okay. Watch your tongue. Thumb here. Bring that down like I just did. Keep your thumbs against the side there. Now go ahead. There you go. You're empty.
Yeah.
Every single one every time. I don't
Yes! Yes! I think you have it. All right. Very good. Let me see this. All right. Actually, if you'd like to do it. So that last piece that shows that there's no round, but there's no bullet that's in the gun.
Okay.
And so it shows that everything's clear and it is safe. How did it feel? Good. Yes. That's very good. So I see perhaps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Yeah.
But you adjusted and you did quite well.
Yeah.
So this is your first time,
Yes.
yes? Oh yes. No, this is quite good.
Ourselves, line clear. Range is pulled. Instructors may retrieve your
All right.
target.
Wait here.
Shooters, grab your bags, exit out the left gate.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.